Paano hanapin ang sum ng lahat ng whole numbers from 1 to 50? Kung di mo ito alam, tara, matuto tayo. So guys, para ma-solve natin yung problem na to, gagamit tayo ng formula na S is equal to N times N plus 1 over 2. By the way guys, yung ating letter N is the number of elements from 1 to 50. At ilan nga ba yun? The answer is 50. So to solve this, S is equal to your N, palitan natin ng 50, magiging 50 times 50 plus 1. And that is over 2. At kung mapansin nyo, we can simplify this numbers 50 over 2. Cancel natin to, magiging 1 lang yan. Itong 50, magiging 25. And right now, meron na lang tayong 25 times 50 plus 1, that is 51. Multiply natin yung 25 and 51. So we have here 1 times 5, that is equal to 5. 1 times 2, that is equal to 2. 5 times 5, that is 25. Then carry 2. We have 5 times 2, that is equal to 10. Plus 2, that would be equal to 12. So add natin sila lahat. Bring down 5. This is 7. Then 2, 1. And as you can see, the correct answer or the sum of all the whole numbers from 1 to 50 is simply 1,275. Ganun lang siya kadali, guys.